Square One Kitchen. Welcome back to Square One Kitchen. Today we are making sweet little fruit peels. I don't really know the name, but we're gonna call it that. These are essential in Christmas pies, Christmas cake, and hot cross buns. You can use any citrus fruit, but we find oranges, lemons, and grapefruit work well. Score the fruit vertically into quarters. Peel off the skins in the quarters that you just cut. Now, my dad forgot to record us peeling off the grapefruit and oranges, but it's the same process. And then you're gonna want to remove the pith, that white stuff that tastes good but also at the same time tastes awful. You're gonna want to remove that because we don't want it tasting awful now. Because that's bad. Do you want something to taste awful? No, I didn't think so. But after you're done removing the white stuff, make sure you remove all the white stuff though, like all of it. It's taking the pith, chop, and you dice. It's always so satisfying to dice it. So we're gonna chop that up, and then we're gonna have to chop it smaller. Leave them in strips if you want to eat them as snacks. Choppity, 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 chop. So you're gonna want to repeat this over until you have these tiny little squares. Now they don't have to be perfect, but you can make them perfect. See how it just magically turns into squares past the knife? Anyways, a good variety of fruit is really nice because then you can get all those different contrasting flavors. We're gonna add cold water and bring it to a boil. This, for the citrus peels, this gives it brighter colors and removes some of the bareness. So we boil it, and then we add more water. We're gonna do this 3 times and boil it some more just to get out all of the, what is it called? With the bareness. You add the sugar into the pot and you let that simmer so you have like your syrup. See, because you know when you melt sugar, it kind of becomes a syrup. You add your fruit. This is where it gets sweet. You add your fruit and you're gonna want to drain out the excess sugar. Bon appetit! Please like and subscribe. Thank you!